The story of Zecharia resonates with me and resonates with the whole people of Israel, because it's truly the story of Israel. And it is the story of Israel in at least three ways. And the first is that for 37 years, the people of Israel have felt the pain of having one of ours missing, whose fate was unknown. I was in Israel in 1982, and I remember the day of the Battle of Sultan Yaakov, and those who did not come home, and those who went missing. And I remember the investigations, and the rumors and the stories, and the reports that the three soldiers were paraded the same day alive in Damascus, and the questions about what happened to them after that. And the prayers that we said in so many shuls every Shabbat, not just for the state of Israel, and not just for the welfare of its soldiers, but for the return of those missing. The three from Sultan Yaakov, and Ron Arad, and Guy Chaver, and a number of others who to this day remain with fate unknown. And the fact that the Israeli government spared no effort in fulfilling its obligations to its soldiers, repaying the sacrifice that they made by doing everything that they can to bring them home. And last month, when thousands attended Zecharia's funeral, when he was finally laid to rest in the land of Israel, that was part of the story of Israel today. And Zecharia's story is that of Israel because in so many ways he typifies so many people. He was an oleh. He came to Israel at the age of 10 from America because his family wanted to be part of the great journey that is the Jewish peoples in our time. Because his family knew that they could have a better life and a more Jewish life while living in Israel. And Zecharia responded to that, like so many Israelis do. Learning, growing, dedicating himself to Torah study, and finding perhaps the ultimate way of giving to the Jewish people by combining Torah study and army service in the Hesder movement. And I connect to that because my son journeyed along the same path. And in a Hesder yeshiva, there are times when the boys know that they have to sit and learn and study. And there are times when they know that they have to close their Gemaras and go into their tank and defend their people, as Zecharia did. And perhaps it's the story of Israel as a metaphor as well. Zecharia was away for 37 years. 37 years of pain and suffering for his family. And then he came home. The Jewish people were away for 2,000 years. 2,000 years of pain and suffering for the entire nation. And then they came home. And tonight and tomorrow we celebrate and give thanks for that homecoming, for the rebirth of the state of Israel, and the fact that it thrives and grows and is something to admire and is a homeland for us all. But today we remember the struggles, the sacrifice, the loss. Zecharia came home, but together with more than 25,000 others, he paid the ultimate price.